Hello and welcome to the Voices Foundation's virtual singing assembly. My name's Tori Longdon and I'm here with the other VF practitioners every Friday at 1 o'clock for some joyful and uplifting singing. Now you can join from wherever you are, whether you're with your family, whether you're on your own, or whether you've got your class with you. So let's get ready, we've got lots of fun songs to sing today and we're going to start with a warm-up. Okay, let's get our bodies ready to sing. So breathe in and stretch up in the air for me. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Breathe in and breathe out and let your hands drop. Good. I want you to see how much like jelly you can be when you let your hands go. So breathe in and jelly. Breathe out. We're going to do one more of those and this time I want you to flop down. So you're down here, so you're super relaxed and jellified, okay? Breathing in, and breathe out. Nice, let's just have a little shake around. Imagine that your arms are made of ribbon and they're just waving around. And slowly come back up to standing. Keep everything moving. Imagine your whole body is made out of ribbon and you can just move every bit. And now come to a standstill and I'd like you to just move your little toes. You can't see it because it's off the screen, but my little toes are wiggling away. Now just your big toes. Fast as you can. Go, 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 go. And stop. Now your knees. And your knees and your wrists. It's a funny one, isn't it? And stop and stand still. And I'd like you to strike a pose for me that says, I am a superhero. 3, 2, 1, go. And one the other way. 3, 2, 1, go. Great, well done. Helps you feel really energized. Strike a pose that says, I've just had all my pocket money taken off me for the week. 3, 2, 1, go. Can you pull the saddest face you can? If you're with somebody else in the classroom or at home, turn to them and pull the saddest face you can. And look how slouched we are. This is not a good position for singing. So this time, I would like you to give me a posture that says, I've just been given double my pocket money. And stand up a little straighter and feel really proud. In fact, you've just been given a medal for doing well in maths. Give me a smile. Stand up nice and straight and look engaged. Yeah, looks lovely. Great. Circle your shoulders round. Well done. And now our bodies are in a lovely poised posture, ready to sing. Okay, so let's warm up our mouths and our brains, ready to do some singing. Repeat after me. Lemon, lime, keep in time. Lemon, lime, keep in time. Keep it neat. Feel the beat. Keep it neat. Feel the beat. Not too fast, not too slow. Not too fast, not too slow. Keep it steady. Go, go, go. Keep it steady. Go, go, go. Well done. Good job. Let's see if we can do the whole thing through. This time, I'd like you to clap how the words go. This is the rhythm of this little phrase that we're singing. Okay, you ready? Ready. Off we go. Lemon, lime, keep in time, keep it neat, feel the beat. Not too fast, not too slow, keep it steady, go, go, go. Lovely, well done. This time we're going to put that rhyme into our head and we're going to see if we can just do the rhythms. Okay, so you can mouth it to yourselves if you want, but I don't want you to say any of the words out loud. Ready, off we go. Could you hear the rhyme in your head still? If you could, great. If not, maybe practice it again as you're going around the house this week. So now we've got that rhythm down to the clap. Let's see if we can do it to some different sounds using our voices. First of all, can you say shh? Good. Let's try it to that. Ready? Off we go. Shh, 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 Very good. Now try it to a like the sound that a vacuum cleaner would make. Ready, off we go. Well done, and well done if you managed to do that without giggling, because that's really hard. And it reminds me of the sound that's made by my little friend, the buzzy bee. Can everyone say bzzz? You can do it bigger and louder than that. Let's try again. Bzzz. Bzzz. Good. Can you follow the sounds that my little buzzy bee makes? And he goes like this. Bzzz. Good. How about this one? Bzzz. 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 And one last one, so let's really make it count. Bzzz. Bzzz. Well done. The song we're going to sing today is from the south of America, and it was first recorded in 1922, but they think that it was written a lot earlier than that, and it's called This Train is Bound for Glory. And it goes like this. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, I'm gonna tell everyone the story. This train is bound for glory, this train. So it's a happy, uplifting song about being destined for better things and having good ambitions for your life. The first line and the last line are exactly the same. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, I'm gonna tell everyone the story. This train is bound for glory, this train. Good. See if you can sing that first line and last line with me, whilst listening to the second and the third. Ready, off we go. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, I'm gonna tell everyone the story. This train is bound for glory, this train. Well done. Can you say for me, I'm gonna tell everyone the story. I'm gonna tell everyone the story. Well done. Let's see if we can learn the rhythm of that. As you say it, clap the words. Ready, off we go. I'm gonna tell everyone the story. Good, you've got to be quick and really on the ball there. Let's try it one more time. Ready, off we go. I'm gonna tell everyone the story. Lovely. Let's do what we did in the warm-up, and we're gonna take out the words and replace it with shh. Ready, off we go. Shh, 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 shh. Let's try it one more time. Shh, 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 shh. Good, let's put the words back in. Ready, off we go. I'm going to tell everyone the story. Well done. So the tune to that is, I'm going to tell everyone the story. Ready, off we go. I'm going to tell everyone the story. Good. So we've got our This train is bound for glory, this train, which comes in part 1 and line 4. Second line, this train is bound for glory, this train. It goes up to the top again. So we start here. Ready, off we go. This train is bound for glory, this train. Let's put line 1 and line 2 together. Ready, off we go. This train is bound for glory, this train. This train is bound for glory, this train. Now you know what? We've nearly learned the entire song, because the last bit you need to learn is, this train is bound for glory. Ready, off we go. This train is bound for glory. Because the next bit we already know. I'm gonna tell everyone the story. Let's put those two together. I'll do it first, and then it's your turn. Ready, off I go. This train is bound for glory. I'm gonna tell everyone the story. Ready, off we go. This train is bound for glory. I'm gonna tell everyone the story. I think you've got it. Let's try it from the beginning. Ready, off we go. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. I'm gonna tell everyone the story. This train is bound for glory. This train. One more time. This train is bound for glory. This train. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. I'm gonna tell everyone the story. This train is bound for glory. This train. Well done. Now, if you know this song really well, you can layer it up with another few songs that you might have heard before in order to make your own harmonies. Here are a couple of ideas. This one fits really well. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Swing low, sweet chariot, coming for to carry me home. Now, hopefully, if you're smiling now, that's because you've sung that song in school before. Here's another one that fits really well. Oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, when the saints go marching in, I wanna be in that number when the saints go marching in. So if you know either of those songs, you can begin to layer them up together with this train is bound for glory, this train, to make your own exciting harmonies. Thank you so much for joining us for this Voices Foundation singing assembly. We're here every Friday at 1 o'clock with some uplifting singing for you, for your family, for your class, for anybody who'd like to join in. If you've enjoyed this assembly, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe below, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Thank you, bye.